Hey guys, good morning! In this vlog, i-feature ko po yung sleeve ng blazer or coat blazer. Ito yung pinaka-front na part, guys. At ito naman po yung back part. Ito yung pinaka-side. Ito yung side ng back part po. Bago po natin i-cut yung pinaka-lining, ayan, yung front and back part po ng sleeve ng blazer or coat. And by the way guys, salamat po sa mga new subscriber po natin. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. And God bless you all. Thank you for watching, guys. And see you on my next vlog. Bye. Take care. And God bless you all.